At U-Haul, we pride ourselves on not only being North America's most convenient propane, but also the safest. Here are some essential safety tips to keep in mind when using your propane tank. Before heading to your local propane provider, make sure that you're comfortable loading and unloading your tank from your vehicle by yourself. A full tank can be pretty heavy, so you might want to bring a friend along. When transporting your tank, roll down your windows for proper ventilation and place your tank in the back seat of your car, the storage area of an SUV, or the bed of a pickup truck. In accordance with the Department of Transportation, your tank must be fully upright and secured in place. Simple solutions include a seat belt, a milk crate, or tie-down straps. We recommend tank ties and a tank stabilizer. U-Haul also offers free twine to secure your tank if needed. Once you've reached your destination, remove your tank from your vehicle. A propane tank should never be left in an enclosed space, especially in warm climates. Always store your tank outside and shielded from direct sunlight and inclement weather. We recommend a tank stabilizer or rubber footing so that your tank doesn't rust from moisture on the ground. When it's time to use your tank, ensure that all connection points are tightly fastened. Then, turn on your propane tank and test your setup for any leaks. The easiest way to do this is by using a solution of water and dish soap to spray all connection points. If bubbles start to form, you have a leak. Turn off your tank, disconnect everything, and wait 5 minutes before reconnecting to test again. If bubbles continue to form, then that connection point is faulty. Turn off your tank and disconnect everything. If the faulty connection lies with your grill, appliance, or connector hoses, have that component serviced. If the faulty connection lies with your tank, but it's not leaking when you disconnect it, bring your tank to your local propane vendor or a U-Haul propane location to be inspected. If your tank continues to leak after being disconnected, move the tank away from people and buildings if possible, then contact the fire department. When using your tank, refrain from smoking or vaping nearby. You should also ensure that a propane tank in use is at least 3 feet from your house and 10 feet away from any other tanks. Once you're done using your tank, ensure that it's completely turned off. You can disconnect it entirely to be extra safe. Be sure to practice these precautions every time that you use your propane tank. Propane tanks do expire 12 years after the manufacturing date. This manufacturing date will be stamped into the collar of your tank. After 12 years, you can either recertify your tank or buy a new one. By federal law, an expired tank cannot be filled. For recertification, find a qualified technician in your area. We recommend someone who uses metal stamping or laser etching instead of a sticker, since stickers can be easily damaged or even counterfeited. Once visually inspected and recertified, your tank can be used for 5 more years. To dispose of an old tank and purchase a new one, find your nearest U-Haul propane location on uhaul.com/propane or the U-Haul app. U-Haul, North America's most convenient propane.